Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 11. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Our life's mission has been fulfilled. We took the responsibility of running the administration of the country and are old soldiers as we desired to hand over the country to the younger generation as a running concern. We expect the youth of the country to come forward and share our responsibility and lighten our burden. It, however, pains me to find that the younger generation, as represented by socialists and others, are frittering away their energies in destructive activities such as organizing strikes, thus hampering the work of reconstruction. If the youth continues to behave in this irresponsible manner, I for one would not hesitate to lay down the reins of office. The ruler of small states of Kathiawar have decided to form a union of the states of Saurashtra. The representatives of these rulers will meet me soon to discuss the details of the union. It is a great relief that Gandhiji has broken his fast. I shall not, however, stop at this. I want you to go deep into the causes that brought about the fast and eradicate them once for all. It pains me to find that Free India is not treading on the right path. What happened in the country during the last 5 months has hurt the noble soul of the Mahatma. I appeal to you to create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere in the country because it is prerequisite of all progress. I strongly repudiate the charge that Congress ministries are following the same high-handed and antiquated methods used by the old British bureaucracy and that congressmen have become capitalists. The division of the country has created several new problems which have immensely taxed our brains during the last 5 months. We need a powerful army for defense. We cannot rely on foreign countries for imports. Everything we have to manufacture in our own country. The transfer of population following partition has created great complications and added to our difficulties. We have to provide food, clothing, and shelter for lakhs of refugees and rehabilitate them. We have always taken the socialists into our confidence. We consulted them on the partition of the country, but they could not put forward their viewpoint. When we consulted them on the issue of decontrol, they emphatically demanded the immediate withdrawal of all controls. As soon as the rationing of food grains was done away with, they passed this. Whatever else may be said against the present ministry in Bengal, there is at least one thing about which there is no dispute that after many years Bengal has secured a band of workers whose honesty and incorruptibility are not in Question. Stop.